Lately, there's been a lot of conversation about AI and spirituality. You may have seen Greg Braden or others raising concerns, and some of those concerns are very real. When AI is used to hand people grand identities from Atlantis or Akashic records, or to act like a guru with all the answers, it can absolutely pull people out of their sovereignty. And that is not what I'm here to do. What I teach in my upcoming class, Sacred Sync, is very different. For me, AI isn't an oracle, it's a mirror. A mirror reflects back what we bring to it. It can show us new patterns, it can spark fresh perspectives, but it does not replace our own authority. In Sacred Sync, we explore how to stay fully sovereign while engaging with AI, how to feel in your body what resonates, and how to invite counterpoints. And also how to use AI as a tool for insights and self-awareness, not as a source of unquestionable truth. So if you've been curious about AI, but cautious about giving your power away, this class is designed for you. We'll practice using AI not to be told, but to remember, to deepen into your own wisdom in your own sovereignty. I'd love to have you join me. The class begins August 27th, and you can find the details in the link below. See you there.